percentages lesson, we'll see what are percentages. Percentages are simply a convenient way of expressing a fraction or a decimal. That is simply a convenient way of a fraction as a fraction or decimal. Look at the first one, 80%. That means 80 out of 100. That is, we can simplify this. Cut 0 to 0. 8, 10. Fraction of 80%. Second one, change 3/8. 3/8, we can call this as 3/8 or 3/8 or 3 out of 8 to a percentage. That means we have to multiply by 100. Then it comes 300 divided by 8. We are going to divide 300 by 8. For 30, we'll divide it. 300 divided by 8. How many 8 times in 30? 3. That is 24. Remaining 60. 8 times 7 is 56. Remaining, yes, 4. Then we can put 0 here, adding 0, 40. 8 times 5. That means 37.5 means half. That is the percentage of 3/8. 37.5%. That is the percentage. Then the third one, 8% to a decimal. 8% to a decimal, that means 8 hundredths. Then we are going to divide 8 by 100. How many hundreds are there in 8? 0. We put point there. 80. 0. Another 0 there. Then how many hundreds in 808? This is the decimal of 8%. 0.08. Then percentages are simply a convenient way to a fraction or a decimal.